4 PCS high-carbon steel mini chainsaw chains. Durable replacement chains for cordless electric portable chainsaws. Perfect for pruning, shears and wood cutting. 15.24 centimeters. Material: metal. 2 sets of chains for a 6-inch mini chainsaw. Replacement chains for a 6-inch mini chainsaw. Chain guide for all cordless electric portable handheld chainsaws. Includes 2 sets of 6-inch chains with 1/4 LP pitch, 0.043 foot gauge, and 37 drive links. Total of 37 drive links and suitable for 6-inch chainsaws. Compatible with 36-38 drive links 6-inch chainsaw chains. Out of a set of 4 chains, only 2 are included. The 6-inch guide is not part of the package. Simple installation and replacement process. This replacement chain for a 6-inch chainsaw designed for cutting wood branches is effortless to install and replace. Ensure to observe the correct installation direction of the chain during replacement. Long-lasting, seamless, and effective. The guide chain for a compact mini chainsaw undergoes thorough quenching to guarantee durability, smooth cutting, and excellent lubrication. The chains designed for a 6-inch electric cordless mini chainsaw are more efficient and faster, extending the lifespan of the tool. Versatile application. These replacement chains are compatible with 6-inch chainsaws and can be used on various materials. The chainsaw is ideal for cutting, carving and shaping wood, as well as cutting plywood, laminate flooring, chipboard, plastic, ice, rubber, and more. Buy the best products at the most favorable prices in Sellines network.